Back with another video. Hey guys, back with another video. I got a requested order from a regular customer, and I'm going to go pick up her order in a couple of minutes. I'll be getting off work. In the car warming it up, and so when 4 o'clock gets here, I can just go. So we're going, excuse me, let me get some water. My throat gets dry a lot as soon as I start talking. But anyway, we're gonna go pick this order up, and I want you guys to come along with me while we go pick up this Poplin order. Remember, we're on a journey to get out of debt, so we're going to pick up these orders, and each month I'm going to I know I've told you I'm doing 10 Spark deliveries, 10 Spark, what is the other one, 10 Poplin deliveries, 1 Instacart, and 1 Amazon. And all we have now is one Spark delivery and 1 Instacart left for the month of March, and the day is Sunday, March the 16th. So actually we can try to knock off either 1 or 2 of those tomorrow when I get off at 4. And but I just want you guys to come along with me while we go pick up this order. Alright guys, I have picked up her laundry. This is the elderly lady that I was telling you guys about in another video. But they must have had their laundry out for a while, because it's raining outside and their laundry is soaking wet. So, and last time I came, which they were a new customer the first time I had them, and they requested me. Oh, let me get out this driveway. They requested me this time, and it's tight up in here. And hold on, let me get out. They wasn't standing at the door like they were last time. I guess they know who I am, so they had that laundry sitting out there for a while. But anyway, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and get started on this laundry, and want you guys to come back with me tomorrow morning when we drop off Miss Edith, that's her name, Miss Edith laundry. So guys, I will see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a rainy day. It is Monday, March the 17th at 6:43 a.m. I'm on my way to drop off the laundry that I picked up on yesterday. So come along with me. But first, before we drop it off, we're going to stop and we're going to get some gas. So let's go. Gas right quick. Alright guys, we have gotten the gas. And now we're on our way to drop off the laundry. So let's go. right, guys, the order has been dropped off, and now we're on our way to work. All right, guys, with that order that we just completed, it was like $22.50, and she had already gave me an $8 tip. She didn't have much laundry. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close on out, and I want you guys to go ahead and comment and be a part of the debt-free gig economy. Come on in and just be a part of what we're doing over here. We're trying to get out of debt on this debt-free journey. So come, I definitely want you to come and subscribe and be a part. So guys, I will definitely see you in the next video. I'm trying to talk and pay attention to the road too. So that's why I'm stopping and starting. So I definitely want you to come on over and be a part of this debt-free journey, this gig economy journey. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.